Homeowners, think about how often do you run into an urgent home improvement issue that needs a quick fix, pronto. Many local contractors mark up their real cost and could end up breaking the bank. Others might offer cheaper quotes, but cost you in the long run with shoddy jobs because they simply don't know what they're doing. But not us. Our team of licensed contractors are up to tackling any major emergencies that could arise in your home. Best of all, we deliver 5-star caliber customer service to anyone we work with, and an honest, straightforward quote. Whether it's to beautify your home or help you with an urgent home on the fly, give us a call and find out why many other homeowners trust our team to get the job done.